Wangal lama naka school Gorkha Patshala High Secondary School Shillong. Balawan haga kerdan kabahakli du hag result Secondary School Living Certificate SSLC. Balapan bena daka embos haka nyautrek yayong. Daka bayo hadu sanspa prapasan marks. Ulapan pawe ka jingkemen kabakrang halor kanika jingjom kaba ulayo haka jing jong u. Habang ngalayo yak result ngas ngokumba kadai ka jing pos new. Ngalas ngo kinyo ngam shimlapet wat yak result ong uwangal haba keren shakilat thai kubor haba benram baka jing tre shitam baka jingen ka bahala die ka dei ka balam shakne ka jingjam phimdei ban perkhat ba phikam duna ban yano yanuru ka bakong santam kalong ba phidei ban don ne ka jinget ka bahala de hi namar lada phimnget halade te manopat ban nget ulaong haba kali halor ka jing ai jing mot nakabentai ki weipat ki para khinna uwangal ulaong treshi tom nakabenta jongka pihak benlong traya la kasam pihak ben pen bhaya ka wat long kinyang bamkan phide bendan ni ka jinga kendu ka jing shampang ha ka jing im barok wei uwangal ubampan shamna raya kalenti jong kalawe jong u da ka baong ublei unyarap yanga ban sham ya ka jing thumu jonga ha ka jing im wat perkhat yanga kum unong job bah khli do ngatip badai ki hajar ngot ki brio ki lakmi lenti yakane henry ngalong ubadon bok ban job yaka ula benram haba phile yaka no kanu ka kam pendap yaka jingkit khli jong phi to le adu ka men sim bat bo ha ka jingmot ba phile yakane namar ka dei ka kamram bat namar ba phi kwa yaka uwangal ulapun pawru ka jing sngo hun yaka jingla jong u ban le bha da ka baong ka result kampen khuslayanga namar ka ei ka bangala le ngala le na du ka men sim kam dan ka jing babe.
My name is Wangal Lama and I got the first position in the SSLC of 2026. Well, yes, I never thought that I could not achieve it. I gave it my everything, and the results if we I can never be so sure that I will get it or not, but I always hope that I will get it. I will achieve the top positions, but when I got it, it feels so ethereal. It just feels like a dream. Yes, to be honest, I was so nervous. I didn't even check my results. My phone was on flight mode, and when the time came, I directly came to my school, and I saw all the commotion going on in my school. Their wildness, chaos was going on, and when they briefed me about my result, like I could not even believe it. And I'm just so happy, and it feels just like a dream, and it feels ethereal, otherworldly. Well, you see, what I think that is that you should never think that you're less than anyone. You can come even from the rural side or even from the cities. You can even be you can even not score much in your previous classes, but what it takes is hard work. The foremost thing is that you have to believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, then who else will? Nobody's expectation and belief matters, but what matters is you and your mindset. Work hard for it. You have to hone your skills. You have to improve in what you lack. And to be honest, you should not be a bookworm. You should not only be books. You should have a whole life experience. Live your class 10 throughout and live your studies. You should know everything. Don't be a bookworm. Have vast knowledge of your topics, and when you write, this is my advice, that when you write, don't write what you have marked up. Write through your heart. Write what you have understood. That's the key. Yes, that's the question that has been eating me up the most. I've been thinking a lot, but everything feels narrow to me. Like till now, I haven't really figured out my purpose in life. So I wish that God will help me to find what my purpose in life is, and that I can give it my all, and I can be a symbol for society. I would like to say that don't think of me as a topper. To be honest, I'm not a bookworm. I just study what I get. Don't think of me as a topper, because I know that thousands of people have prepared, thousands of people were expecting this, and fortunately I got what I wanted. But I would like to say is that whenever you do something, do fulfill your responsibilities, carry your dharma and your karma throughout, because that is the foremost duty of a human. And whenever you do something, don't expect anything, because if you do something without expectation, you will not be affected by the pleasure of victory, and you will not be affected by the suffering of defeat. So whenever you do something, do through your whole heart. Keep in mind that you are doing this because this is your duty, this is your responsibility, because you want this. And when you give it your all, the result won't matter to you, because in your heart you will feel satisfied. And to be honest, for me too, the results, they were eating me up much, but I have realized this, that the results didn't matter to me, because what I performed, I could do it with my whole heart. No regret was left in me, so the result didn't matter at all, and I'm just thankful to God that I got this top position.